Your desktop looks messy. In the next 10 seconds, I will show you a hidden Windows 11 tricks that instantly makes it look super clean. So stay tuned. Here friend, we want to hide icons first. For example, I have mega icon and this icon I want to hide. Simply you can right click on it and then delete from here. Okay, so this will hide. If you want to search this application, you simply click on start button and then search mega. So what happened, this icon will get from here. Okay, this is the first method. Second method, I want to hide complete icons over here. So what I will do, simply do the right click. Okay, then hover the mouse on view section and then click on this show desktop icons. You simply click on it and boom, you can see that all icons gone. So friend, this is a tutorial which I want to share with you guys how you can simply hide icons from your desktop. So friend, if you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment me below. Thank you for watching.